With that cream, baby, pour that sweet on me, baby, shade up. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. With that cream, with that, preheat this oven up like 5,000 degrees. It's almost ready, we've been craving this all week.
We've just finished the toning step of our Korean skincare routine out here in Korea, and now we're going to move on to applying our essence, specifically using the famous COSRX Snail Mucin essence. This essence has gone viral on various social media platforms multiple times and is a consistent bestseller for very good reasons. Though at first it may sound like a very strange product to apply to your face, when you break it down, Snail Mucin contains a lot of collagen, elastin, glycolic acid, and allantoin, which when combined together ends up improving your skin elasticity while also having a soothing effect, moisturizing your skin, and fighting acne breakouts. Also, if you've never used skincare products with Snail Mucin before, then you might be reassured to know that it is highly refined and processed Snail Mucin, so it's not the same as just having a live snail crawl against your face. So you don't have to worry about any kind of bacterial infections or germs or things like that. To apply it, we're simply going to take the cap off, squirt a small amount into our palm, and then gently massage it into our face. I usually use 2 squirts to cover each half of my face, and then a little bit more in order to apply it to my neck as well. So here we go. Just like that, and as you can see, it does still maintain a bit of the mucin-like texture, so you don't want to go across your face, you want to just go kind of vertically. This. Other side. And then finally, extra squirt for the neck. And there you have it. Just like that, we are done applying our essence, and we're going to move on to our eye cream step. As we go along, you can see that my skin is looking nicer and nicer, and it's going to keep doing so as we continue moving along and I show you the remaining best-selling Korean skincare products. So if you're looking for an incredible skincare product to add to your routine that uses very natural ingredients and truly will benefit your skin all around, then pick up this Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence by COSRX, and you're going to be set.